Something's missing. I wonder what it could be. Where did the truck go? Hey everybody, update on the truck. It's not in the garage. Took it to the shop. A friend of mine, Dale, and I are going to start the the front suspension rebuild. We have QA1 control arms, upper and lower, Hotchkiss tie rod adjusters, Moog ball tie rod ends. I put a new idler arm on it. Already has a new Pitman arm on it. But after 40 years, it's time to upgrade and change out. Drove it to the shop yesterday. That was probably the third time actually putting some miles on it. Truck drove decent with this, wore out suspension that's on it. We're also going to put the full exhaust on it. It's a American Thunder kit from Flowmaster. Kit came with 44s or 40s, I can't remember. I swapped it out for 50s. Also been doing a lot of research on resonators to take out the low RPM drone that you get in the cab. So I think after the H-pipe, I'm going to try to put these resonators in. See if it'll take care of the drone that you get at low RPM in the cab. And then the 50s, I think they mount right between where the cab and the bed split. And then after that, hopefully be off the paint soon. We're going to go with a tan or cream roof. I've got to figure out what color I like. I think this will be more of a tan color because the color of the truck is actually like a root beer color. So I think that will look good. And then we have all the body moldings to put on it. I saw a truck that Brian Harrison did, and it was all brown with the body moldings on it. I liked it a lot. It has a similar tan interior, so we're going to go with that route. Next week, my brother's racing in Carolina Dragway, so hopefully have some results for that in the next week. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully it comes home with a Wally. But I just want to get on real quick and do a real quick update on the truck. It's running good, good oil pressure, water temp's good, the alternator's working. Everything we did as far as wiring the whole truck, everything's working, headlights, taillights, side markers. I drove it to work and it was dark, had to turn the lights on, all the lights are working. Column from Square Body Syndicate is awesome. Even the Square Body Syndicate Dakota Digital Dash is awesome. Like the new school technology with the old school look. That was back in the day when that truck was built in 78. So Tuesday nights, but mostly Disney podcast. That's my other passion that y'all know about is Disney with my family. My buddy Tater Sean Robertson, I co-host a podcast with him. 7:30s on Tuesdays. We'll post something in all the socials. He usually puts it out there, then I share it out, and then just keep looking for videos. I'm gonna try to drop one every weekend of some substance, whether it be the truck, something to do with racing, and of course Disney. I'm trying to get a July trip figured out here. Maybe go play some golf with Sean and spend a day at the park with him. And then we both have some content to share. And then Julie and I are thinking about going to Lou's Momentum Conference in October at the Hilton. And then we'd have some more content there. Really trying to figure out if I'm going to keep my annual pass or not. That's been something we've had for the last 4 years. We've enjoyed it. We had 3, and then we learned our lesson that we really only need 1 because you get the same perks with 1 as you get with 3. So with the expense of it, having 3 really didn't make a big impression on us or need for us because it's usually the 3 of us or the 4 of us. Sometimes Haley gets to go with us. But it's usually Addison, myself, and Julie, or Julie and myself. So we're always together, and I'm the only one that needs a reservation. So we kind of plan our trips around what reservation we can get for what parks. But hoping to get that sorted out. Probably do a video on that. Julie and I will do it together. And then just really getting excited to get this truck done and get it painted and start doing videos, going to shows, and just riding around introducing you to people and just vlogging what it's like to be in the Milan household. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And check you out on the next video. See ya.